What if the biggest leap in Mac performance this year isn't about the CPU, but something Apple has been quietly building toward for years? The new M5 MacBook Pro is here, and everything you thought you knew about what a laptop is capable of is about to change. Welcome to Tap Tech, where we decode the future of Apple. We're not just looking at a spec bump, we're looking at an architecture shift. Apple has officially unveiled the new 14-inch MacBook Pro powered by the M5 chip, and the focus is laser-sharp, artificial intelligence. The base 14-inch model is already up for pre-order, having been announced on October 15, 2025, with general availability beginning very soon, on Wednesday, October 22, 2025. That date is crucial. It's not a rumor, it's a launch. Now, an important caveat: this initial release is for the base M5 chip only. Authentic reports suggest the more powerful M5 Pro and M5 Max configurations for the 14-inch and 16-inch models are on a staggered timeline, likely hitting the market in early 2026. This means the hardcore professionals might still be waiting, but for everyone else, the future is now. The starting price for the M5 14-inch MacBook Pro remains competitive at $$1,599, holding the line on pricing despite the massive internal upgrades. Let's dive into the core of the upgrade, the M5 chip itself. Apple has consistently delivered performance leaps, but this generation is different because of a fundamental redesign of the graphics processing unit. The M5 features a next-generation GPU with a dedicated neural accelerator in each core. Think of the GPU not just for rendering video or playing games, but as a specialized engine for AI. This new architecture delivers up to a colossal $3.5 faster AI performance and up to $1.6 faster graphics than the previous generation, the M4. This isn't a marketing phrase, it's a technical mandate for on-device generative AI. Now, imagine what this means for your workflow. For developers, code compilation in Xcode is getting a $2.1 speed boost compared to M1 models. For 3D artists, rendering in Blender is up to $6.8 faster than an M1 machine. But the biggest, most impactful change is what this does for AI-driven tasks. Running large language models (LLMs) locally on your device is now dramatically faster and more practical. Applications like Topaz Video for AI enhancement are seeing performance gains up to $7.7 faster than on an M1 Mac. This means less waiting for renders, faster complex data analysis, and true, real-time creative work driven by machine learning, all on a laptop. If you're coming from an older Intel or even an M1 MacBook, Apple is claiming up to an incredible $86 faster AI performance compared to those older Intel chips, which is simply transformative. This isn't just about speed, it's about doing things on your laptop that previously required cloud servers. If the performance boost wasn't enough, let's talk efficiency. Apple has pushed the limits of battery life again. The new M5 MacBook Pro is rated for up to a phenomenal 24 hours of battery life. That's 4 more hours than the M1 models and up to 14 hours longer than the older Intel-based MacBooks. The best part? Apple assures us that unlike other laptops, the performance remains consistent whether you are plugged in or running entirely on battery. You can be in a coffee shop, rendering a 4K video, and still expect pro-level performance without being tethered to a wall. That is a massive productivity unlock for anyone working remotely or on location. The M5 chip also brings a significant upgrade to one often overlooked area: storage. The solid-state drive performance is now up to $2 faster than the previous generation. Faster SSDs translate directly into a snappier overall experience, quicker app launches, and, crucially, faster handling of huge media files. Think importing massive raw image libraries or exporting large video projects. The memory bandwidth has also been increased to $153 gigabytes per second, a nearly 30% jump over the M4, allowing the system to handle larger AI models and more intense multitasking without breaking a sweat. Unified memory capacity still starts at $16 gigabytes, with configurable options now going up to $32 gigabytes for the base M5 model, and storage capacity now maxing out at a generous $4 terabytes. What about the physical laptop itself? The authentic information confirms that the exterior design of the 14-inch MacBook Pro remains virtually unchanged. It retains the sleek, pro-grade chassis, available in the popular space black and silver finishes. Apple has clearly decided to let the internal engine do the talking this year. You're getting the same best-in-class 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display with promotion adaptive refresh rate, capable of $1,600 nits peak HDR brightness. Ports also remain the same: the MagSafe $3 charging port, 3 Thunderbolt $4 ports, an HDMI port, and an SDXC card slot. There are no major design surprises, and perhaps that's a good thing. They've perfected the formula, and now they're perfecting the power inside it. The new software experience, macOS Tahoe, comes pre-installed, and it is built to leverage the M5's AI power. The entire Apple Intelligence suite of features is enhanced by the faster Neural Engine, allowing for smarter, faster on-device features. We are talking about live translation integrated into messages and FaceTime, a redesigned user interface with a liquid glass aesthetic including a transparent menu bar, and smarter spotlight search with instant actions. The AI features run entirely on the device, ensuring stronger privacy and instant response times. So, who is this new M5 MacBook Pro for? If you are still running an Intel Mac, or even one of the early M1 models, this is the upgrade you have been waiting for. The jump in performance, efficiency, and especially AI capability is not incremental, it's seismic. For professionals who rely on intense applications like Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or machine learning tools, the immediate availability of the M5 chip offers a tangible, quantifiable increase in productivity. However, if your budget is tight and you only do light work, an M2 or M3 Air remains a fantastic machine. But if you want to harness the true, next-generation power of on-device AI and a 2-day battery life, the M5 is the definitive choice. The biggest story here isn't a new port or a thinner chassis, it's the fact that the most powerful creative tool you can buy just learned how to think faster, right on your desk, or wherever you decide to take that 24-hour battery. And that's the complete deep dive into the official, authentic specifications for the new M5 MacBook Pro. If you want to keep your finger on the pulse of the next big thing in tech, make sure you hit that subscribe button.